Hey everybody, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I decided to jump on here because I just took my walk at the beach here in San Diego, California. And what I'm going to be talking today about is about attracting leads online, right? And how you do that. There's a few steps that are key to building a lead generation funnel online for your network marketing business. And I'm going to share one of the key steps with you today. Hey, my name is Tammy Moretti, and I help baby boomer network marketers build an online business step by step, generate leads online, demystify the confusion, and save some time and some money, right? Because your time is valuable and so is your money. So here I am walking on the beach today. You have things that you enjoy doing that come natural for you. Maybe an activity, it may be an interest, it may be something fun that you do, so on and so forth. Well, there's other people out there that do the same thing and enjoy it as well, right? And those are your people. Why are those your people? Because you have common ground. You can speak the same language. You can have a conversation that flows with ease. Right? Because when you're a network marketer, one of the most important things is building a funnel, a lead generation funnel, right? And where do you find your leads? Well, you find them in the places that you hang out. So you really want to know who you are. Step one, know who you are. I'm always saying, put the round peg in the round hole, right? Know who you be. Write it down. Pen to paper is super powerful. Right? All your likes, your hobbies, your value system, those things. Your, maybe go as far as your hair color, your eye color, your life experience, what your dreams and your goals are, your vision for the future, those kinds of things. You want to write those things down on a piece of paper because that is your ideal client right there. That's your ideal client. She is you. She is you. And one of the most important things that we need to do as network marketers is to generate leads so we have people to talk to about our service, our opportunity, or our product. But we have to know who those people are. And in order for us to know who those people are, we need to know who we are. That's paramount. Absolutely paramount. So I want to really encourage you to take a piece of paper and a pen and write down a description of yourself. And then take a look at it, read it out loud, and know that this is your person. This is your ideal client. Absolutely. And it's going to be easy to talk to her about what you have. Because 10 to 1, because you're interested in it and she's very much like you, she's going to be interested in it as well. And then after you start the conversation and you start to build a know, like, and trust factor, which is really easy when you have common ground, right? Like maybe you're a person who loves to go hiking, right? And your ideal customer loves to go hiking as well. There's the conversation, which can easily segue into your product, your service, or your opportunity. All right. This is one of the key steps in building a lead generation funnel online is to first know who you are so that you can know who your client is. Absolutely paramount. And then the dots will start to connect. So next week, I'm going to share with you step 2. Okay, I'm super excited about this, and my goal is to help you build a lead generation funnel online that pays you over and over and over again and operates on autopilot. If you found value in this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, copy the link, share it on your page, share it with your team, and I will be back next week. I can't wait to hear from you. If you have any comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments section. I read all my comments and I respond to every single one of them. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next week.